everyone, it's Laurie from Fork to Spoon. Today I wanted to go over how to make a really simple meal in the air fryer. It's a Cornish hen. It's one of the easiest things you can make. Depending on where you live, you can usually find these in the freezer section at your local grocery store. It is best to cook them from thawed because you'll get a better bird. So all you have to do to defrost it, just put in the refrigerator overnight or 24 to 46 hours, depending on how thick it is. So this is what you start off with. It usually comes 2 to a pack, depending on what brand you buy. In order to prepare it, you need to clean it. Usually there is a bag or a heart or gizzards inside of it. So all you do is remove them with your hand or a spoon, because I know some of you guys don't like to touch stuff. And then rinse it off. Season it with salt and pepper as you rinse it off. And then the next thing you need to do, which I already did because I didn't want to touch it because, chicken all over the place, raw chicken all over the place. Not a great idea. So I rubbed it with simple olive oil. And I chose this lovely spice that I obviously just had in my pantry. It's lemon and pepper seasoning. And I thought that would be good. There's a lot of seasonings you can do. You can buy a lot of seasonings. You can make your own. And you can pretty much do that. Now I used a parchment liner. And obviously only one of them will fit at a time because of the size. That will depend on how big your air fryer is. Smaller air fryer, probably 1. Cornish hen in it. Larger air fryer, probably 2. It will truly depend on how big. So all you do is put it in, make sure there's enough room on the sides. As you can see, there's plenty of ways the air can circulate around the chicken. It doesn't really matter if it's breast side up or breast side down, because you will flip it around halfway. I will show it to you throughout the day because it will take 30 minutes or so to cook, depending on the internal temperature of 165. Which brings me to another point. One of my best tools that I have in the air fryer, or use with my air fryer, is a simple meat thermometer. Nothing special, but when the meat reaches 165, I remove it from the air fryer. Now, because I actually like having a thermometer for a number of reasons. One, of course, is I want to make sure that I'm making a healthy meal for my family, and I don't want them to eat any raw chicken. And one of the best reasons for anyone to get one with the air fryer is every single air fryer, and I have a lot of air fryers, they all cook at different rates, so your time will be different than mine. I can cook another air fryer with I can cook another Cornish hen with my air fryer right next to it, it'll be a different time. So, but that's what I want to tell you. Hi, Samantha, and that is about it. But I will be back periodically throughout the day to show you the update of my Cornish hen. But as you can see now, it's cleaned, it's oiled, it's seasoned, and it's ready to get in there.